Good morning students, this is Mohan. This is a very short video demonstrating the procedure to be followed by a student to buy the rapid revision batch videos and some other videos which are made available by masterminds at a very nominal price, which is lesser than 1000 rupees. Okay, let me start with the first concept called rapid revision batch videos. Now after finishing about the rapid revision batch videos, I'm going to discuss about the guidance classes. After that, I'm going to discuss about the videos explaining the RTPs, revision test papers released by ICAI. To begin with, rapid revision batch. Revision batch is a concept. It's a brainchild of masterminds. Nowadays, many CA institutions or CA coaching centers are also following the same trend. That's a welcoming change. Okay. Rapid revision batch videos are available for each subject of CA Foundation, and each subject can be revised. You can by buying these videos, you can revise each subject within a short span of 15 to 25 hours. Say for example, you are going to appear for the final examinations of CA Foundation within a short span of 1 or 2 months. Now in such a case, these videos are of highly useful. And as I just told you, these videos are available for all the subjects of CA Foundation level. And though it looks to be repetitive, I'm just reminding you, rapid revision batch is a concept. It's a brainchild of masterminds, and we are pioneers in providing these services for all the levels of CA and for all the levels of CMA. Okay, and after that, there is a unique concept called guidance classes. CA Foundation guidance class on how to score good marks or exemption range of marks in all the subjects of CA Foundation. And this video is available at a price of 500 rupees, and 500 rupees is not per subject. 500 rupees for all the subjects of 500 rupees is an inclusive price for all the subjects of CA Foundation. By investing this 500, you can have the videos of business laws, BCR, statistics, reasoning, economics, BCK and accounts. So 500 rupees is a price you need to invest for all the subjects of CA Foundation put together. Whereas for CA Foundation RRB videos, you need to invest an amount of 800 rupees for each subject. And apart from that, there is a video explaining the RTPs for November 2020 attempt. Of course, there's a older one. We are going to update with the latest one, and this is available for a price of 200 rupees. And just a minute, there is one more unique service that is available only with masterminds. See, subject to correction based on information that have, only masterminds is providing this unique service. CMA Foundation crash batch for CA, those students studying CA Foundation or CA Enter and going to appear for CMA Foundation as well. And as you know that many students will appear for CMA Foundation along with CA Foundation, or CMA Foundation along with CA Intern. So this batch is available for sale at a very nominal price of 2000 rupees, consisting of nearly 100 plus videos. And for all these subjects, take this as an example. In case of CMA Foundation crash batch, this amount of 2000 is inclusive of the PDF material as well. My dear students, please share this video to your friends. This could be helpful for them. And you can find that majority of the videos are not just the majority. All the videos are available at a very nominal price. This is a very small investment you need to make to gain an extraordinary success at CA Foundation level. Thank you. And before I conclude, similar videos are available at CA Inter level, CA Final level, CMA Inter level, CMA Final level also. And just a minute, sorry, I have forgot. And students can even appear for the revision examinations by directly making the payment in this online Masterminds online classes app. So revision exams, I mean to say Masterminds test series is also available for sale on this Masterminds online classes app. So without any human intervention, student can make the payment. You will be getting the schedule, you will be getting the question papers, you will be getting the suggested answers. Not only that, we even value the answer sheets, and we even send you the valuation report containing the SWOT analysis. So again, this revision examinations, otherwise called as Masterminds test series, is a household name for many CA and CMA students across the nation. God bless you. wish you a grand success in the upcoming examinations. Please do share this video with your friends. Thank you. For any queries, sorry, just a minute. For any queries, you may please call 9885125001 and 9885125003. God bless you.